Good morning, students. Today's our topic is common posture deformities. First of all, I will tell you what is deformities. Deformity is a malformation of any component or body part joints of the body. There are some common posture deformities are like spinal curvature, knock knees, flat foot, round shoulder and bow leg. First of all, I will explain you spinal curvature. Deformity is related to spine. In spinal curvature, the deformity is related to our spine. The spine or backbone is made up of small bones. Our spine is made up of small bones or vertebrae stacked along with the disc on the top of another. It is a joining of vertebrae. One vertebra is placed on the other vertebra. So this is through this our spine is formed. Now a healthy spine when viewed from the side has a gentle curve to it, and curve help the spine absorb stress from body movement and gravity. When you view spine from the back, the spine should be straight toward the middle of the back. When abnormality of spine occur, the natural curvature of the spine are misaligned or exhausted in certain area. Now there are three type of spinal curvature deformity: kyphosis, lordosis and scoliosis. Now first deformity is kyphosis. In kyphosis, increase or excretion of a backward or posterior curve or decrease or reverse of a forward curve. Kyphosis is a rounding of upper back, some rounding in normal, but the term kyphosis usually refer to excreting rounding more than 50 degree. This deformity is called this deformity is also called kyphosis or back round back or hunchback. Depression of chest is common in kyphosis. It may occur at any stage but is most common in older women. The age-related kyphosis is often due to weakness in the spinal bones that curve them to compress or crack. Other type of kyphosis can appear in infant or teen due to malformation of the spine or wedging of spinal bone over time. So, what is a kyphosis? Kyphosis is a in upper bone get bent or aggression rounding more than approximately 50 degree. So now what are the causes of kyphosis? Kyphosis is caused by the malnutrition, illness, deficiency of pure air, insufficient exercise, rickets, carry heavy loads on shoulder, sustainable furniture, weak muscles and habit of doing work by leaning forward, etc. These are some causes of kyphosis, like insufficient exercise. If you do not perform exercise, there is a chance of cause kyphosis. Carrying heavy weight or heavy load on your shoulder, this is also a cause of kyphosis. And so many, like habit of doing work in bending. Most of the people, when they work in laptop or computer, they always mm, bend their back. This is a cause of kyphosis. Our body posture or our uh, habit of doing activity change our spinal position, then cause kyphosis. Now there are some precaution from the very beginning. Appropriate posture of sitting, standing and walking should be paid attention. In kyphosis, we should have some precautions like in the very beginning we correct our posture. In posture like standing posture, sitting posture and walking posture. In standing posture, our back should be straight, weight your all the body weight on your feet. In sitting posture, your legs should be make 90-degree angle, back should be straight, do not move your back for back in front side. So there are so many precautions we have to take in if we are suffering from kyphosis. So like first is your body posture, like you are wearing loose cloth. Sometimes we wear a so tight cloth, and in this way our we stiff our body or we bend our body according to the clothing. So when you wear cloth, wear according to your posture, then use suitable furniture. Furniture is also a cause of kyphosis. Now there are some remedies or remedies measure which help to cure kyphosis, like always keep a pillow under your back while sleeping. When you are sleeping, keep a pillow under your back. Bend your head backward in standing position. Bend your head in backward position when you are stand. Perform swimming. Swimming is very helpful to cure kyphosis. Then perform Dhanurasana, Chakrasana regularly. If a person suffering from kyphosis, they have to perform Chakrasana or Dhanurasana regularly. These two asana give so many help to cure kyphosis. So student, this is our today's topic, posture deformities, and first deformities kyphosis. Okay, thank you students.